what my horns sound like?
Yes.
Quite loud. You ready?
Yep.
Out of my way, young man, you whippersnapper! Get out of my parking space! Don't you know who I am? What do you think?
I love it.
That's a nice tone, isn't it?
It's a very nice tone.
So that's that honking big one we were going to put on your Mini.
Yeah.
And this little one I was going to put on my bike. So that is an option if I can't get the park horn to go on there.
You know what would be really funny?
Go on.
If you got the old horn and you just lifted it up and pushed the button on these two horns.
Just as a gesture.
Yeah, just shook the horn at them. So let's see what's on your list. There's the list.
What's on my list? Well, the first thing is going to be putting the shockingly sexy what I did yesterday.
That's gonna look so good.
Is that just not yummy?
Yeah.
I want to clean off the excess glue. Bit of excess glue there, here and there. But my little tabs I made. I like the contrast in the sort of rosy coloured brass versus the what's it brass.
Me too.
You can see it on the car.
Oh wow.
I'll keep my hand here in case it falls off.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I think it's beautiful.
It's a really big focal point, isn't it?
Yeah.
And I've got beveled glass here and then beveled glass on those three, so I just need
Yeah.
beveled there and I'd have a full set. Well, this is a bit of a day. Just turn the flappy down so I look at the lens. This is a bit of a day because potentially the car is now ready for its MOT. So that's quite exciting for me. And I'm about to open the doors and wheel it out and then take it for a little drive up and down the road beside me, private road, and see if the brakes work properly. Oh, pox. I've left my Astra in the way. Gonna have to move that. There's my keys. Okay, let's go move the Astra. There's something going on. Actually, I'll put it down by the garage, that way I've got room to manoeuvre the car when I take it for my test drive. Don't know if you can actually see anything, just my little mouth toppling away. Get the car out. Okay, I'll go and get Veronica and get her to video it emerging forth. Back in a minute. I can do the snap of the fingers thing, can't I? Video editing. brakes nice and clean, but I've had that one apart and fixed it.
Do you want me to put my foot on the brake full force?
Yes.
Okay.
Full force?
Yep.
Okay, so. Okay, good. That brake's doing nothing.
That brake is doing nothing.
What?
Oh.
Oh, it's alright. It's just, if you have a taxi parked down a scrapyard for several years, almost inevitably the brakes are going to be rusted up.
Yeah.
That one was rusted up, that one was rusted up. I haven't done these two, so I may have to do these two first. But the good thing is the servo is working, and the brakes were definitely better than they were last time I drove it. And they haven't done at all.
Okay.
Hot, hot.
Do you want me to try to extricate myself now
I will
from
help you.
in here?
Poor crippled girl. The brakes are very squishy. They stopped it. They're a lot better than they were when I first drove it, but nowhere near good enough. So I'll bleed the brakes, take off the transmission tunnel cover, try and work out what's making that noise, and give it another go.